Hello, welcome in this new video. And in this video, we are going to separate these functional components to a separate file because so imagine we have a large project that contain hundreds and hundreds of components. So that component cannot be written in this index.js file. So because that will be so much complicated to understand these codings right here, and it will be impossible to maintain our project as well. So I'm going to create here another component inside this SRS folder. Right now I am in this SRS folder. I am going to create a component with the same name as my info.js, and for doing that I'm just going to take this component right from here and going to paste these things here. As we are using a JSX here, so we have to import a React here. I'm going to import import React from React. I have imported React here, and the other point is I have to make this component available for other files as that can be used inside those files. So for doing that, we have to export default my info. This is the ES6 style of writing the JavaScript. If you are not familiar with that, you can search on the internet and will find a lot of resources for learning ES6, and that is also known as ECMAScript 6. Or if you are comfortable with this syntax, then it's okay. So now we are going to use this component right here. So now I'm going to save this, and here is the error that we have defined this component but we can't approach this component right here. So because I don't have imported this component here, we have to import all of the components that are going to be used. And here I have imported this component right here, and now I can use this component, as this component is separate from this index.js file, and we can write anything that will be updated here. As I am going to write something that you could see the results here, updated. Here you can see once we are updating this component, the result will be reflected here on the browser, because inside the index.js file we are using this same component right here. This is the method how we can separate our components in a separate file. For writing in these components separately, as I generally create another folder right here. That folder name must be components, and this my info or any of other component are going to be placed inside this folder. And don't worry, we will do this thing. We will change the path in the coding as well. Components. Here the error is gone because now we have given it the exact path where this my info component is placed. So now no matter how much component you create, that are going to be placed in this component folder, and this is much organized way of writing React codes in a React web app. And thank you for, and hopes you guys got a lot of from this video as well. And thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.